YouTube family. Hi. Oh, you know, I'm grinning, I'm smiling because we have reached 500 subscribers. You guys are doing it. You really, really are. Just a couple of weeks ago, we were at 400, and here we are 2 weeks later, and we're at 500. You know, we're trying to get to 1,000, right? But we need 1,000 subscribers. So we're halfway there, and all we need is your help. I would like everyone to call someone, tell a friend to do you a favor and to subscribe, okay? I'm sure they'll like some content on there. And if everyone has a friend to subscribe, so if one friend has another friend to subscribe, we can get to 500 quick, okay? All we need is 500 more, right? And don't forget, we have 2 Amazon giveaways. One $25 gift card will be for anyone that have subscribed already. So your name, we're only giving out one for new subscribers. Your name will be put into the drawing. That's everyone who's subscribed thus far. And then we're going to pick one name out for the first Amazon giveaway. And then we're going to have a second Amazon giveaway to anyone that have someone that have 5 or more people to subscribe. So the way it works is they will say you referred them and put your email so that you can get the credit, and then your name will be put into the special drawing, okay? So at any rate, we're going to give away 2 Amazon giveaway cards, okay? Because I love you, and I love that you love me too. And I'm looking forward to the victory day, aren't you? Oh, yes. Okay, it's been a pleasure serving you, hanging out with you. I enjoy you. And the word of the day is, you know, I started that. I'm giving the word of the day. The word of the day is, do something that will make somebody happy tomorrow. Make somebody smile. Even if it's nothing but words of encouragement, or you hold the door for them, or you do a favor for them, or something that you could feel good about at the end of the day, that you brought a smile to somebody's life, okay? Because that's what we're on this earth to do. We're on this earth to serve one another, okay? All right, this is Grandma Ray. Don't play. I'm Rachel. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. 500. Yes.